Hi folks, we are here to elaborate on our topic liquid dosage forms and the author name is Roop K. Khar. So let's begin.
Hello folks, I am HIMANSHI KAMBLE and I'll be introducing you to liquid dosage forms. Liquid stage forms are meant for internal, parenteral and external use. They are available in monophasic or biphasic forms. Monophasic liquid dosage forms, that is, it contains only one phase. They are classified as liquid for internal use, for examples drops, elixirs, linctus, syrup and draughts. Liquid for external use, liquids to be applied to the skin, that is liniments and lotions. Liquids meant for body cavity, that are gargles, throat paints, mouth washes, eye drops, eye lotions, ear drops, nasal drops, sprays and inhalation. Liquid dosage form are further classified into colloidins, draughts, elixirs, emulsions, suspensions, enemas, gargles, gels, lotions, linctuses, mixtures, mouthwashes. Biphasic liquid dosage forms of medicament in which finely divided solid particles are dispersed in a liquid or semi-solid vehicle. They are also used for external application. Emulsions, biphasic liquid preparation containing two immiscible liquids, one of which is dispersed as minute globules into the other. The liquid which is converted into minute globules is called the disperse phase, and the liquid in which the globules are dispersed is called the continuous phase. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am AMAN PALANDURKAR. I am here to introduce about the advantages of liquid dosage form. Liquid dosage form are the most suitable dosage form for patients who have difficulty taking tablets or capsules. As might be the case with pediatric patients, they are attractive in appearance and giving beneficial psychological effects. Drug with bitter and unpleasant taste can be given in sweetened, colored and flavored vehicles. There is higher flexibility in dosage when compared to solid dosage form like tablets and capsules. The dose of the drug substance can be easily and conventionally adjusted by measure a different volume. If given orally, liquid dosage form are rapidly available for absorption than tablets and capsules. Hygroscopic medicaments which are not suitable dispensed in solid dosage form can easily be given in liquid dosage form. The products like absorbent and antacids are more effective in liquid dosage form. The liquid dosage form is expected for certain types of product like cough medicaments. Thank you.
Hi, I am TANMAY CHIMURKAR. I am here to introduce the disadvantages of liquid dosage forms. Liquid dosage forms are usually more susceptible to chemical degradation when compared to solid dosage form. They are bulky and therefore inconvenient to transport and store. Accidental breakage of container result in loss of whole dosage form. The shelf life of liquid dosage form is often much shorter than that of corresponding solid preparation due to low stability. Solution often provides suitable media for microbial growth and may therefore require incorporation of a preservative. Liquid dosage forms, example vaccine, may require special storage conditions. The taste of drug, which is usually unpleasant, is always more prominent when in a solution than in a solid form. There is a higher chances of dosage variability since the delivery of dose depends upon the patient measuring the proper volume. This can be a significant issue for vision impaired patient with arthritis, or patient unable to read the number of oral dosing syringe or medicine cap. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself RAUNAK SUBRAMANI and I'm here to introduce the topic chemical modifications in liquid dosage forms. Co-crystallization. The new approach available for the enhancement of drug solubility is through the application of the co-crystals. It is also referred as molecular complexes. If the solvent is an integral part of the network structure and forms at least two components crystals, then it may be termed as a co-crystal. Co-crystals are more stable, particularly as the co-crystallizing agents are solids at room temperature. Co-solvency. Co-solvents are mixtures of water and one more water miscible solvent used to create a solution with enhanced solubility for poorly soluble compounds. Examples of solvents used in co-solvent mixtures are PEG300, propylene glycol, or ethanol. Disadvantages of co-solvency. As with all excipients, the toxicity and tolerability related with the level of solvent administered has to be considered, and uncontrolled precipitation occurs upon dilution with aqueous media. The precipitates may be amorphous or crystalline and can vary in size. Advantages: simple and rapid to formulate and produce. Hydrotrophy. Hydrotrophy is a solubilization process where addition of a large amount of second solute results in an increase in the aqueous solubility of another solute. Solute consists of alkali metal salts of various organic acids. Hydrotrophy agents are ionic organic salts. Additives or salts that increase solubility in given solvent are said to salt in the solute, and those salts that decrease solubility salt out the solute. Advantages of hydrotrophy solubilization technique. It only requires mixing the drug with the hydrotroph in water and does not require chemical modification of hydrotrophic drugs, use of organic solvents, or preparation of emulsion system. Excipients. Excipients' role in designing different dosage forms does not require any introduction. These are additives that are added to the formulation along with pharmacological active substances. The main purpose of adding them is to increase the bulk of the formulation along with imparting desired properties. Excipients like the drug substance need to be validated and standardized. Pharmaceutical excipients for liquid dosage forms: vehicles, co-solvents, surfactants, preservatives, viscosity modifiers, buffers, antioxidants, chelating agents, sweeteners, flavoring agents, colorants. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is TANVI BHAVE and my topic is solubility enhancement techniques. Solubility is defined in quantitative terms as concentration of the solute is a saturated solution at a certain temperature, and in qualitative terms, it may be defined as spontaneous interaction of two or more substances to form a homogeneous molecular dispersion. A saturated solution is one in which the solute is in equilibrium with the solvent. The solubility of a drug may be expressed as part, percentage, molality, volume fraction, and mole fraction. Drug solubility is the maximum concentration of the drug solute dissolved in a solvent under specific condition of temperature, pH, and pressure. Physical modification, which includes particle size reduction, modification of crystal habit, drug dispersion in carriers, complexion, and solubilization by surfactants or solubilizing agents. Particle size reduction, which includes the bioavailability intrinsically related to drug particle size. By reducing particle size, increase the surface area, improves the dissolution properties. Particle size reduction can be achieved by the microionization and nanosuspension. Each technique utilizes different equipments for reduction of the particle sizes. Microionization. In microionization, the solubility of drug is often intrinsically related to the drug particle size. By reducing the particle size, the increased surface area improves the dissolution property of the drug. Nanosuspension. Nanosuspension is another technique which is sub-micron colloidal dispersion of pure particles of drug which are stabilized by surfactants. Nanosuspensions are produced by homogenization and wet milling process. Modification of crystal habitat. Modification of crystal habit polymorphism is the ability of an element of compound to crystallize in more than one crystalline form. Broadly, polymorphs can be classified as enantiotropes and monotropes based on the thermodynamic properties. Drug dispersion in carriers. The solid dispersion approach to reduce particle size and therefore increase the dissolution rate and absorption of drug was first recognized in 1961. The term solid dispersion refers to the dispersion of one or more active ingredients in an inert carrier in a solid state, frequently prepared by the melting method, solvent method, or fusion solvent method. Complex formation. Complexion is the associate between two or more molecules to form a non-bonded entity with a well-defined stoichiometric. Complexion relies on relatively weak forces such as London forces, hydrogen bonding, and hydrophobic interaction. Non-covalent bonded are formed or broken during complex formation, and the drug molecules in complex are in rapid equilibrium with free molecules in the solution. Solubilization by surfactants or solubilizing agent. Microemulsions and self-microemulsifying drug delivery system. Microemulsions have been employed to increase the solubility of many drugs that are practically insoluble in water, along with incorporation of proteins for oral, parenteral as well as transmedial use. Agitation required for the self-emulsification comes from the stomach and intestinal motility. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Aditi Mohite and I'm here to ask you some questions based on previous presentation. Which of the following liquid dosage forms are used for rectal medicaments? Which liquid dosage form is meant for external use only and nitrocellulose content? Which of the following is not an advantage of liquid dosage forms? Which one is not an example of liquid dosage form? If solvent is an integral part of network structure and forms at least two component crystal, then it is termed as. What are the example of co-solvency? Thank you.
So here we conclude. Thank you and have a pleasant day ahead.